washing soda, whose chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O, and the chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca for 10, hydrate for water. So this is .10H2O means it is called as water of crystallization. So how it is going to be prepared? It is obtained from sodium carbonate. Basically, it is obtained from ammonia soda or Solvay process. The process by which sodium carbonate is being produced is called as Solvay process. The step one is limestone, which is calcium carbonate, is heated to get carbon dioxide and lime, which is CaO. So this is the reaction for this. In the next step, the carbon dioxide and ammonia gas are bubbled in a saturated solution of sodium chloride at 15 degrees Celsius. Means we are reacting NaCl and NH3 with CO2 in water, and we will get NaHCO3, which is sodium bicarbonate, and NH4Cl, which is ammonium chloride. In the very next step, we will simply heat NaHCO3 and we will get sodium carbonate along with the water and carbon dioxide. So this is called as anhydrous sodium carbonate. Why it is called as anhydrous? Because water of crystallization is absent right now. So this is called as soda ash. So sodium carbonate basically readily dissolves in water, and the solution on basically below 32 degree gives crystal of sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is Na2CO3.10H2. Here are some of the properties, which is it is a white crystalline solid and it loses water of molecules on standing and crumble to powder. So it reacts with acid to evolve carbon dioxide. Why? Because again it is a sodium metal carbonate, and whenever it will react with carbon dioxide, it will react with acid. It will form salt along with the water and carbon dioxide gas. On heating, it will loses the water of molecules of crystallization, which is these .10H2. On further heating this Na2CO3, it doesn't decompose or no effect will be there. So some of the uses is, as the name suggests, it is used for washing of clothes simply. Obviously, it is a constituent of soap powder. It is used in the softening of hard water. Both temporary and permanent hardness are removed. So what exactly happens whenever in the water, thus some of the salts of magnesium and calcium will be present, then that water is called as hard water. So what do we mean by hard water? It is simply the presence of magnesium, some salts, specific salts of magnesium and calcium in the water. Whenever these both salts are present, then we will say that this water is hard. So we have to remove these salts, and in order to remove these, we will use washing soda. So this is basically the softening of water. Also, it is used in the manufacture of glass, caustic soda, which is simply NaOH, borax, and water glass. It is used obviously as a laboratory reagent. So its use is also good in industry as well as in laboratory.